Good morning, good morning. Yung wala pang tao, yung unang-unang pumasok. Good morning. Wala pa tao, nag-aayos pang mga staff. Yan. Kano na ba kagutom, guys? Oh, Tapsilog. We offer Tapsilog. Bimbi, hindi ka kasi sumama. Yan, Tapsilog. Yan guys. Ayan, pagdating na sila. Para tayong gutom na gutom guys. Kasi tayo ang nauna. Guys, cake, then fresh fruits, chicken salad, and cookie, and salmon. So yung breakfast talaga namin guys, counter breakfast. Yan.